welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the review of Lamborghini Sian. If you're a fan of cutting-edge design, raw performance, and unapologetic luxury, then the 2025 Lamborghini Sian is a name that commands your attention. This is not just a supercar, this is Lamborghini at its most experimental and electrifying. In this video, we're diving into every detail of the 2025 Lamborghini Sian, from its aggressive styling to its electrified powertrain, and whether it's worth the multi-million-dollar price. Tag it commands, starting with the first impression. The exterior of the Sian is a visual masterpiece. Lamborghini has never been subtle, and the Sian takes their signature design language to an entirely new level. Angular lines, razor-sharp edges, and aerodynamic precision define the car's presence. Every inch of the body looks sculpted by wind and fire. The Y-shaped headlights are both futuristic and menacing, while the rear end features dramatic hexagonal taillights and a massive diffuser that looks like it belongs on a spaceship rather than a car. The roofline flows seamlessly into the rear deck, housing an active spoiler that adjusts based on driving conditions. Crafted largely from carbon fiber, the Sian not only looks fast standing still, but is also remarkably lightweight, enhancing its performance credentials. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that balances race-ready function with Italian opulence. The interior of the 2025 Sian surrounds the driver with premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather stitched with precision. The dashboard is minimal but futuristic, with a vertically oriented touchscreen at the center and digital instrumentation ahead of the driver. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with integrated controls, and the paddle shifters behind it feel like they came straight from a race car. Even with all the luxury touches, the interior maintains a focused, aggressive vibe, making sure you remember that this isn't just a car. It's a machine designed to thrill. Under the skin, the Sian takes a bold step forward in Lamborghini's evolution. This is the first Lamborghini to use a hybrid system, but not in the traditional sense. At its heart is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V1 engine that roars to life with 774 horsepower. But what makes the Sian unique is its supercapacitor-based hybrid system. Instead of relying on conventional lithium-ion batteries, Lamborghini uses a supercapacitor for faster energy storage and discharge. The electric motor adds 34 horsepower, bringing the total output to 808 horsepower. This setup allows for instantaneous torque, quicker gear shifts, and improved acceleration. The result is a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 0.8 seconds and a top speed well north of 217 miles per hour. Driving the Sian is an experience few can imagine. The throttle response is immediate, the exhaust note is thunderous, and the way this car hugs corners defies physics. With all-wheel drive, advanced aerodynamics, and Lamborghini's integrated vehicle dynamics control, the Sian remains composed. At ludicrous speeds, it's a blend of brute force and cutting-edge tech. Let's talk price. Exclusivity doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Lamborghini Sian is priced at over $3.5 million. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. ******.